These 5 iTools are about to transform how you work. If you're still using outdated software, you're leaving money on the table. Let's dive in. Claude 3 Pi 5 is the gold standard for writing, brainstorming, and strategy. It understands context better than any competitor, making it perfect for creating scripts, emails, and long-form content. Freelancers are using it to triple output while maintaining quality. The pricing is competitive, and the free tier is surprisingly powerful for testing. Runway's Gen 3 video generation is mind-blowing. Create professional videos from text prompts in minutes, perfect for YouTube thumbnails, social clips, and product demos. Small businesses are saving thousands on video production. The interface is intuitive, and results are publication ready without extensive editing. Perplexity AI does real-time research with source citations. No hallucinations, just accurate information. Creators use it for fact-checking scripts. Freelancers leverage it for client proposals and competitive analysis. It's faster than Google and more reliable than ChatGPT for research-heavy projects. NotebookLM turns documents into AI assistants instantly. Defy lets you build custom AI workflows without coding. Together, they automate repetitive tasks, freelancer automating client onboarding, scheduling, and reporting. These tools multiply your capacity and free up time for high-value work. Drop a comment telling us which tool you're trying first. Hit subscribe for more iTool reviews and tutorials every week. Which tool you're trying first?